Unlocking the meaning of clergy. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of English vocabulary. Our word of the day is clergy. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also how and when to use it. Clergy refers to the group of people who are ordained and perform religious duties in certain religions. This includes positions such as priests, ministers, rabbis, imams, and other religious leaders. They're the ones leading religious ceremonies, providing spiritual guidance, and often involved in the administrative matters of their religious institutions. The word clergy comes from the Old French term clergier, which means priests, clerics. It's essential to understand that the concept of clergy can be found in various religions around the world, though the titles and roles may differ. To give you a clearer picture, let's see how clergy can be used in sentences. 1. The clergy of the local church organized a charity event. 2. She decided to join the clergy after many years of spiritual reflection. 3. Members of the clergy often wear specific garments that signify their religious roles. To deepen your understanding, let's look at some related terms. Cleric, an individual clergy member. Laity, this refers to regular church members who aren't part of the clergy. Ordain, the process or ceremony by which someone becomes a member of the clergy. Understanding words like clergy can enrich your English vocabulary and help you communicate more effectively, especially on topics related to religion and spirituality. We hope this explanation sheds light on its meaning and usage. Remember, language is a powerful tool. Keep learning and expanding your horizons.